Welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and today we are going to discuss an important aspect on the implications for India because of the Taliban capturing Kabul. To be honest, we are really sad that USA has left Afghanistan in such a ziffy state and has put a whole country in doldrums. The president has run away from there, saving his own life, and now the implications for India have increased substantially. If a neighbor is in pain, that pain is going to spread to the other parts of also. So similarly, if Afghanistan remains in pain, then it is going to spread to India also. Why it is going to spread to India? Because firstly, we are just around 400 kilometers from the closest point from Afghanistan, and it provides an easier ingress route to Kashmir. So in times to come, we may see more militancy activity, and these Talibanis may try to get inside the Indian territory via Kashmir. So Kashmir, which is stabilizing now as of now after removal of Article 370, may again see spurt of terrorist activities. And Kashmir terrorists also gets an idea that if Taliban with a small force can capture Afghanistan, so they also stand a chance to do the same. So as India as a cohesive force, we have to make sure that we keep our guard up and do not let these Talibanis get into our nation and spread their venom inside our country. Secondly, we need to curtail on this Talibani thought process and the kind of training which is undergoing in the madrasas need to be monitored, and we should make sure that our brethren, they are able to get good information. Thirdly, we should make sure that these modern platforms are used effectively to contain the spread of the venom which is going to spread through the social media, and all these young blood who is misguided needs to be curtailed, because recently we had an opportunity where we saw Pakistan Jindabad slogans in our own country. So it is a shame that we are seeing such activities, and Taliban capture of Afghanistan is a bad news for India. We need to keep our guard up. China will be getting into Taliban because it has lucrative mineral resources and more important resources for the lithium ion batteries. So it is like pearl of necklace where China will be trying to surround India from all the sides. Afghanistan was one area where it was not able to make much presence, but now since it is supporting Taliban, it will get ingress into this area also. However, as an option, we need to side with the USA and work out the strategies so that the Taliban is contained, because no doubt USA has a hegemony in the world order, and we should be siding with the right nation at the right time to get the requisite benefits. And if required, we can go ahead with the Israel and get their ultra modern fencing techniques using the electronic signals. So as a nation, as a common man, you also need to keep the guard up and look out for any such persons who are roaming around in different modes or in suspicious roles, and you should report the same to the police. Unless the common man wakes up, we cannot put our whole responsibility on the security forces, because they cannot make a chain on the border. Borders are porous, and these terrorist groups can infiltrate into our territory. So as a common man, onus is also on you to keep the guard up, keep the police forces informed of any suspicious activity. This is Indian Share Tips, and if you like our video, remember to subscribe to our channel, and do remember that we are the best bank nifty option tips providers in India, and you can get started with a small capital of 10,000 rupees and can start making money on daily basis. Thank you.